Hey, Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef here. Listen, I'm really excited. Today we're going to be infusing a classic, Fettuccine Alfredo. That's right, I'm going to show you how to make an infused Alfredo sauce the easy way at home. You ready? Let's get started right now. Hey, you want to subscribe to the channel? Click that little bell to get future notifications of upcoming videos. But for now, here's what we have. We have 3 tablespoons of cannabis butter that was about 90 milligrams of THC. We added 4 ounces of Philadelphia brand cream cheese. Then we added 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. That we added 1 pint, 16 ounces of heavy cream. And we're gonna let that cook on a low heat. This is all on a low heat. Then we added 1/2 teaspoon of our hemp tasty zesty Italian seasoning. Use the brand you like. 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Now we're going to stir this frequently, once again keeping the heat low till it becomes nice and thick and bubbly. We have our pasta water boiled. Now we're going to add our fettuccine. We're going to cook this al dente about 10-12 minutes. We're going to plate up our pasta. Okay, we had a little blackened chicken we made on the side, so we'll put some blackened chicken on top of that. We're going to top with our sauce, approximately 30 milligrams of THC per order. We got 3 orders out of our sauce that we made here with this recipe. Keep that in mind. You have 3 orders, about 30 milligrams. And we top with a little bit of green peas, place the spoon in, and dinner was served. Hey, this is Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef. Hope you enjoyed the video of how to make Fettuccine Alfredo Cannabis Infused the easy way. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the little bell to see upcoming videos. And also, we'd love to hear your comments. Send them in, please.